Hey guys,
I'm Craig.
And I'm Shaun.
And we are
Original Flava.
And today we're here at Absolutely Caribbean's Virtual Expo, showing you the top 5 tips and hacks for Caribbean cooking.
That's right guys, you're not going to want to miss this. Stay tuned.
First and foremost, let's start with O's Grocer's gluten-free flours. That's right, they've got a whole range of gluten-free flours using some of the best and most popular Caribbean root vegetables, such as sweet potato flour. They've got a coconut flour, breadfruit flour, cassava flour. I mean, wow, it's absolutely fantastic, and the flavors that come from them are insane.
These are amazing products. They're very light, healthy, and they're tasty. They're high in fiber, great source of energy, and they can help with heart health as well. So it's a great alternative to normal flour, great for using dumplings, pancakes, and flavorful recipes.
So next up, we've got Nolido's Truly Turmeric Paste. It's actually from the actual root of the turmeric. So if you're looking to ditch the powder and get the wholesomeness of the 100% root of the turmeric, this is definitely our tip for Caribbean cooking.
The texture is amazing. As you can see the different spices and the herbs all embedded into this jar. And you know what? It's natural, man.
It is.
It'll give you that natural flavor. That's what we're looking for.
That's right, and it's also got many health benefits as well. So turmeric is actually one of the most popular types of medical remedies actually these days. You can put it in your smoothies, you can put it even as a face mask.
How does it feel?
Wow, I feel younger already.
Wow, I might need some as well, you know, still. Wow, it's got like a nice, like a tingling sensation.
It does.
Yeah.
You might be laughing at us, but it's actually a very common practice within the health industry and the skincare industry as well, where people use it as masks, people use it in their smoothies. So guys, that's one of our big tips for turmeric paste. If you want to try and get the freshness in your curries, get a more zinginess, get a more, natural rawness in a natural flavor. Yes, natural flavor in your curries. We highly recommend using this whole root turmeric paste by Nolido. Next we have Eaton's Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. So that's right, one of the most important aspects of Caribbean dishes are the spice and the aroma that comes with it. And there's no better way to control the heat than with this pepper sauce.
Use the Scotch bonnet pepper sauce to maximize the flavor of your soups, oxtail, and your jerk chicken, guys. Add it to the dish 10 minutes before and you'll get the maximum flavor.
Eaton's have a lovely range of other sauces and condiments as well for you to get your Caribbean cooking on.
They're spectacular, flavorful sauces. They're great for your meat, your vegetables, and even gravies as well.
And now we have Viking's lovely mango chutney. It's a mixture of sweetness and spice, and it goes with any dish in your kitchen.
As if you ever had a mango, you know what it'll taste like, especially from the Caribbean. Look, picking it from the tree, the freshness, the flavor, and look, this mango chutney has all the flavor.
So our top tip to bring some extra flavor to your salad is to use this lovely mango chutney and bring it to a boil in a pan. Add some lemon, some lime, a little bit of water, and mix it all together and pour it onto your salad like a beautiful, flavorful vinaigrette, sort of Caribbean vinaigrette, innit, bro?
I'm getting so hungry thinking about it, bro. But listen, bro, alternatively, guys, you can also put it in the microwave. That soften it up, loosen up all the flavors, and pour it on the same way. And
the next tip is, and no, it's not how to build a bird's nest. This is actually...
That's what I thought it was.
I'm telling you, but it's much better than that. This is actually a sarsaparilla root. Yes guys, it is one of the most beneficial root vegetables that you can use in many different ways.
You can blend it up, you can put it in a big pot of boiling water, or you can just yam it like it is.
No, don't do that. Don't do that, guys. So the thing about this, guys, is getting to the root of the nutrients that is in this root right here. So like my brother says, you can boil it up and you can infuse it into your tea bags by gratering it as well, and just pouring some boiling water into a lovely mug and just chill at home by maybe some fire. With this lovely sarsaparilla root tea. So there you have it, guys, our top 5 tips and hacks for Caribbean cooking.
That's right, guys, we hope you enjoyed it and we hope that you try these delicious products at home.
That's right.
Take care. One love.